Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatsoever time it is, where you are at this point in time, you are watching the Beton Crypto. In today's show, I want us to look at Bitcoin versus meme coins this weekend. Which of these meme coins or which of these categories are going to do well? Is Bitcoin going to do well and meme coins dumb this weekend? Or maybe meme coins are going to do well and Bitcoin is going to dump? We're going to focus on some particular meme coins like MOG Coin, BABYDOGE Coin, Bread Coin, and Myro Coin. If you hold either of these coins, then good for you. But if you have other coins in your portfolio, you can comment below these coins so that we can do analysis on. So we're gonna be focusing on mostly on the this Bitcoin dominance chart. We're gonna look at also total cap to see what is going on there. Then now correlate it with current Bitcoin price and also what is going on with the meme coin space. So yeah, it's gonna be a good one today. So you are welcome. You're welcome. 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 Let me just go straight away to. Yeah, I want to first of all share this on X. I'm live on X right now, so I want to share my retweet my live. So maybe I get some more folks on X to join me live right now. It's gonna be a good show today. Trust me. I really want us to look at what's gonna happen this weekend. Let's see. Yeah, I'm live right now. I want to retweet this so I get some of my folks to join me here on X. Okay. We have to begin with what is going on with Bitcoin, okay? But let's just see overall what's going on with crypto bubbles. These are the top. Let me just see what's going on first with the top 200 coins. Let's see. This is basically on the weekly time frame. So, looking at the top, let's say, yeah, the top 100 coins first. These are the coins that are doing well, like this week, and this is against BTC. So, the coins you see here have been doing well against BTC this week. SROP is up against BTC 13%. Gala is up. Shiba Inu is up. So if you have been holding either of these coins this week, then you would have outperformed Bitcoin. Okay, but if you look at it on the monthly time frame, now it's not that way. Bitcoin is doing well against um, almost everything on the top 100 coins in the space. And if we go to the top 200 coins, let's see if say yeah only Toshi is up this month 171%, but Toshi was up about 400%. I mean yeah 400%, and now it's down again. So basically I would say looking at the entire space in on the monthly time frame, Bitcoin is dominating. But if you look at it on the weekly time frame, most of the coins are doing well against Bitcoin. You can go to other time frames on crypto bubbles to see which ones are doing well against Bitcoin. I think almost everything is not like almost not everything, but most of the coins are, I mean, at least are doing well against Bitcoin this week or did well against Bitcoin this week. So does it mean that we're gonna see continuation this weekend? Are we gonna see more of these coins do well against Bitcoin this weekend? Well, that's something I want us to look at. Let's look at this diligently to see actually what is going on. Yeah. Give me some couple of minutes, guys. I wanna do something here. Okay, so let's dive to the chart of Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on here on this time frame. This is a daily time frame for Bitcoin. And okay, Bitcoin, to an extent, I would say that on the daily time frame, we are holding, we keep holding this zone. Yeah. So far as we are above this zone, we are still bullish for Bitcoin. Okay. We have some liquidity here around 100K or 104K that we can go and grab. And we can confirm this by looking at the liquidation heat map. I actually tweeted something today. Let me go to my X so I can check on that tweet. I had this tweet today. Let me see. Mm, I tweeted something today. Did I? No, I sent. Okay, instead I sent it to my Telegram group. Yeah, but I think I wrote something. Um, yeah, I didn't share a tweet. Oh, I thought I shared a tweet, but I shared this to my Telegram community. So if you are there, so what I actually said there is, let me go to Telegram quickly. So I can, yeah, I said the 24-hour liquidation heat map shows Bitcoin is moving sideways. We can see Bitcoin hit 100K and drop to 92K or drop to 92K before doing that. So let me just bring in the heat map while I read this. So and drop to 92K or drop to 92 and pump to 100K. If 92K comes first, then it's going to be bad for altcoins. I speculate that we see 92 first because this is the weekend, but I'm ready to follow the trend in whatever direction it goes. Okay. Now, I really believe what I said, but at the same time, looking at what price is doing currently and seeing the fact that we have more liquidity above price than what we see here below price, I still think that they can, like, not I still think as if I thought before, but I think right now that they can take price easily. Looking at the daily time frame, they can take price easily to 100K or 101K, something like that. You can see we have more liquidity here above price, so they can hit about 98 K, something like that, or 99 before taking price back to 92K, or they can just keep moving sideways with Bitcoin. But we want to confirm this more looking at the next 12 hours. Let's see what will happen the next 12 hours. So looking at the next 12 hours, I can see that the closest we have 95, we have also 97 500, and we have 98. Yeah. So if say we see price trade above $97,000, then there's high chances that we can go and hit 100,000 dollars. In that case, you know what I'm about to say. Altcoins are gonna do so well, meaning meme coins are gonna do well against Bitcoin. Okay, now we have to look at what is going on with the chart of Bitcoin before we come back here. I want to come back here. I want us to actually look at the chart of Bitcoin. Let's see what is going on right now on the chart of Bitcoin, and we're going to look at total cap as well. So on this chart, on the 4 hours time frame, I want to also dive on this time frame. I will say to you guys that it's pretty obvious. Price has been rejecting down here multiple times. You can see we have had this rejection, like it has been going on for a while now. And I think we are forming this zone here that we can break above anytime from now. So I think this is what price is doing. Let me just mark this properly. So I think we're gonna break this trend to the upside. But if the trend is gonna come down, like if we're gonna see the trend go down instead, then we are looking at Bitcoin to go to the 92K, yeah, something like that. But I think from where we are right now, we can go straight to 95K. It can come to 95K and still stay in this trend, then bounce straight away to the upside. I think we can still see that. But looking at this time frame, even though like if we can look at the, like looking at the downside, like the support zone, we can see that um price is rejecting this like the down towards the downside. It's rejecting. You can see this stopping volume candle here, and this is a good sign. But at the same time, price is making lower lows. On like it's forming lower lows. Like sorry, lower highs. So if it's forming lower highs, from here, you can see year, and year. What will happen next? Because each time price does this, we see retracement. It does this retracement. Now it's here again. Are we gonna see retracement here to 95K before we kick to the upside, or are we gonna just go straight away to this 100K, something like that? Or yeah, that's what I'm still thinking might happen. But if we look at price on this time frame, this is the 15 minutes time frame, we can see that of course price has broken this key area. Yeah, there was a key area that price was holding. I think since yesterday, or they say 2 days ago. So whatever happens, guys, we want to see price hold. Like we can see price come right down here, no doubt, around this area. But we want to see price hold this area. If price is gonna come back down here again, then it's gonna be difficult for price to go back and break this zone again. So if price is gonna trade below $96,000, then it's gonna be difficult for price to break again above $96,000, and that's gonna be bad for meme coins. Trust me. Okay. Now, if we are gonna stay around this trend, because I'm seeing, you can see look, price is dumping somehow on this 15 minutes time frame. So I want to believe we're gonna see price hold. Yeah, but this is Friday, and usually Friday always come with its own challenges, the Friday effect, right? And I would say that, okay, on Friday we will mostly see the market dump, right? Friday, Saturday, then Sunday we start seeing recovery. But I want to see price reject this zone here, like from where we are at this point in time. I want to see price reject. I'm going to look at a couple of charts so we can see clearly what is going on here with price and how we can take advantage of it. Now, let me bring in the alpha trend so we confirm what price is doing. Now, price has gone below the alpha trend, which is not good. Whenever I see price close below the alpha trend, it's not good, whenever I'm trading. Okay. And this usually tells me that the market is reversing. But if we look at the 1 hour time frame, maybe price is still above the alpha trend. And the alpha trend has printed a buy signal. So we can say that on the 1 hour time frame, we are good with Bitcoin. Okay. Maybe this movement is just something minor, right? This downward trend is minor, but we're gonna see price reverse when the US market open, because now we are in the UK session. But there's also something here that I found looking at market session. If I zoom out this, I want to also see something here. Okay. Um, Asia. Let's begin with the Asia session. Asia started here, and this was the highest point during the Asia session. It took Bitcoin to around 97, yeah, 97,224. Let me just say $97,200. Then UK came in, and UK hasn't been able to break the Asian high. So if UK is not able to break the Asian high, it means that it might go and make lower lows or break the low of Asia. This was the low of Asia, yeah. So if it breaks the low of Asia, it means this zone I drew here is going to invalidate all of this movement that took place during the Asia session. So US can just dump the price to 92K, yeah, $92,000. Okay, but if say UK is gonna hold, yeah, like go to the lowest point during the Asia Open, maybe US session, which is coming soon, is gonna take price and hit it to right up to about 100K, then bring it back to 90K. That's what I'm looking at. I think this might happen. But if say we go to 100K, we can just go straight away to 90 to 110K. Guys, there is uncertainty in the market. Trust me. We like you just have to follow the trend, and whatever the trend is gonna show you, follow it. Don't judge it. Don't try to think so much. Okay, what's just follow the trend and make money while the trend lasts. Okay, that's the best I can say to you guys. Um, yeah. So um, looking at Bitcoin now, at Bitcoin dominance, it looks somehow pretty bad. Okay, I want to look at this on the 4 hours time frame, because on this time frame I can see clearly what's going on here. So whenever I see the alpha trend start printing, you can see there's this drop here. It tells me that Bitcoin dominance, or that the downward trend, or the if price was above the alpha trend, it means the upward trend will continue. But if price is up below, it means the downward trend is going to continue. So Bitcoin dominance trend will continue downward, and I think it's gonna continue downward to eat most of this liquidity down here around 59%. But I'm thinking we're gonna see cool down around 60% dominance. So what is going on here with dominance is good. This is gonna impact altcoins, And looking at dominance now, I can say with confidence that meme coins might do well against Bitcoin this weekend. Because if dominance, like let's just say now, what's going on is, half of this candle is going to be recovered. Let me just mark it for you. Half of this candle will be recovered, but if say all of this candle is recovered, that's not good for any other coin out there. So half of this candle is going to be recovered. Then during the US session, they're gonna now form the next candle below. So at least we should see two red candles form below. After break of structure, we have broken structure. Yeah. So at least this trend should continue to the downside. Excuse. Now, looking at the total market, that's we're looking now at, let's say, most of the meme coins out there. We're gonna look at more coin, bread coin for sure. But I want us to first of all look at the macro, like other factors that can affect this meme coin that we are holding. I'm gonna check on your meme coins that you are holding. So just calm down a little bit. I'm gonna check on all those meme coins. I'm gonna look at it. Let's just follow the trend and see how we go, how like where it led us. So now on the 4 hours time frame, this is the altcoin market. Okay, like all cryptos out there, excluding the top 10 in the space. Now we're talking about mostly the coins that move the market. Meme coins move this market more. So this is where we are. Okay, if I bring in my favorite tool, which is the FIP tool, I'm going to show you guys exactly where we're going to expect price to go from where we are right now. This is the target. This is the zone. I drew this long time ago, yeah. So this is where we should expect this move to take us after the alpha trend has printed its buy signal. Okay. Now, if we are expecting the total cap, excluding the top 10 coins, to take us here, it means we still have to break this structure here. And if total cap is gonna break this structure here, it means meme coins are gonna fly like crazy. We need to see during this US session, we need to see this structure broken. And you can still like get out from your meme coins right now. Then you actually buy when price is gonna do something like this. Because right now it shows that we are already at resistance for meme coins. Most meme coins are gonna dump. Like we can see meme coins dump from where we are at this point in time. Okay, but at the same time, I'm still thinking, because we have tested this zone multiple times. One, you see, one, two. This is the third time. Maybe we are gonna break this trend, and if we break this trend, price is gonna go straight away there. Okay, or price can do something like this, go like this, come down, retest this, then move straight to the upside. This is a 4 hour time frame, meaning within the next 12 hours or 24 hours, this could play out. And I'm talking about the entire weekend. So we can see price do well or maybe do bad today, then tomorrow price is gonna do well. So this is what I'm looking at. Now looking at this zone here, which is, let me just say, the support zone on this 4 hours time frame. You can see that we have experienced multiple rejection here as well. Multiple rejection here. You can see one, two, three. That's good. right? So where we are right now, I would say we are in a good spot. Why? Because price from this zone within this zone, this was um a zone, like should I say structure within structure? Yeah, and this is really a bullish structure. After this upward trend, what happened? Price does something like this, went up. Let me mark it well up. It came down a hole, forming this structure here, meaning this trend should take us to the upside. Okay. Now, having established all of this, I'll say that the meme coins that we're going to look at right now, we're going to look at the same thing going on. Like if the same thing is going on with them on the on all of the time frames, like the 4 hours, the daily time frame, to see exactly. Now, let me begin with MOG Coin. I'm gonna begin. I'm gonna go. I'm seeing you, Garrett Fish. I'm gonna go to Doge girlfriend. I know. Yeah, we're talking about this Doge girlfriend with me for a while now. I'm gonna look at it, but let me first of all look at the other meme coins that I talk about here often. Now, this is MOG Coin. So where we are with MOG Coin, I think if say um um Bitcoin and the like Bitcoin dominance and the altcoin chart that I just showed you guys is gonna behave the way I mentioned, then we are gonna experience a parabolic move for more coin this weekend. Okay, and this is the 4 hour time frame. The alpha trend has printed this buy signal here, and ever since we haven't seen any sell signal yet. So I would say that we are still bullish for more coin. Why? We have of course I know when I say bullish I mean like this weekend, not like of course it has been dropping in value, but this has been confirmation that more coin is about to make the next move to the upside. Trust me, we're gonna see more coin make the next move to the upside. Now the question is, what will be the target if say we see a huge move with more coin? Now I want to bring in the flip to block it from where we are, from this top here to this bottom here. So I'm looking at the golden pocket. Okay, so this is a cool down for more coin. If say more coin is gonna move drastically this weekend, we're gonna see the cool down here around this price point. I'm gonna mark it properly for you so you can see it, and we're gonna see how many percent it's gonna be if say price is gonna go to that zone. So let's say from where we are right now to that zone, we're looking at about 30%. So more coin can move about 30% this weekend. It's possible, or it can even move more. But this is what, like, to be safe. If say we start seeing movement in the market this weekend, and you're holding more coin, note that from this price point, we're gonna expect reversal from there, like rejection. Okay, and if say we see more strength, then maybe from there, price can continue upward. Okay, but I'm gonna be playing safe, target this zone, cash out my profit, because if say I don't cash out profit, price can still dump here. But if I cash out profit, price can still move up. Then I wait for price to come back here and hold. Then I'll buy again and take the ride to the upside. So this should be the middle point where you cash out your profit and wait a little bit to see what will happen during, let's say Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, and whatever day it is. So that's what you should be looking at for MOG Coin. We are done with MOG Coin. Let's get to BABYDOGE Coin. Now, BABYDOGE Coin, I would say that give or take, like by the way, I called this movement, this upward movement. If say you have been watching my videos, I called this movement, and it came to pass exactly as I mentioned it. Now where we are with Baby Dogecoin is pretty damn awesome. Okay, after this move here, price have to retest structure. And how did I know that price has to retest structure? I bring in my Fib tool, plug it here, and then to the upside. And where we are right now, you see, we are still in this zone. And for you to take this trade, maybe those coin trade, this is what you need to see. Okay, be careful, because price can still dump during this weekend, and we are looking at the safest way to get in and to cash out our profit easily. Now, if say you are gonna trade this coin, this is what you want to see happen here. You want to see price get above here first, above this zone here, retest it. That's when you're buying. Okay, take it right to the upside. Okay, but you don't have to buy now. You can still buy now. But I don't expect you to buy now. Now, why did I say this was the rejection zone? Because like most of the other coins that I showed you guys, they have actually reached, or they haven't yet reached their target. Like this one got to its target. You can see it went to this golden pocket here and also hit this zone. This was the main zone here. And but if say I was trading this coin, I would have gotten out here at this price point around this zone here, because this should be the pivot point. Yeah, this should be the point that we can expect the next big move to take place. Okay, so where we are right now, you can still buy from where we are, but I'm not going to recommend that, except you see price above the alpha trend. So price should have to go up, come down as I mentioned. Then you can catch out your profit here. Okay, or if say, because from where we are right now, I would say that if say price get to that price point this weekend, guys, that's gonna be about, let's say, 12% profit. You can just catch out the profit and wait to see what will happen. But at the same time, price can still go right up. But if say price go right up, this is what we want to see happen. I'm gonna now start calculating this downward trend from the upside, from year to year. So if price is gonna like break above this zone, then this should be the target. Whatever zone I'm marking here, guys, you have to mark it also if say you want to take advantage of this coin. Okay, so these are the zones where you're gonna look at to cash out your profit and to buy again. If price break above, you buy again. And I'm doing this TA for myself as well. I'm gonna be looking at these zones to make my money, like cash out my profit and make my money. I don't wanna stay in the coin and just to see price break again. I know how price moves. So if I say something like to you guys, then you have to understand what I'm saying. Now let's go to Myro coin. Before we go to other meme coins, let's see Myro. Boy, the gains for this one, guys, is fantastic. Okay, now I want to start looking at Myro from here. The gains for this one is fantastic. Yeah, let's see from here to down here. If we see break of this structure here, let me just mark it for you so you can see properly. If we see Myro coin break this structure from where we are right now, this is the structure here. If we see price break above here, guys, then the pump is gonna be fantastic. This coin can just pump straight away right up here. Okay, but at the same time, I'm a little bit curious to see how far this coin can go, because like if I manage to look at the price action, yeah, based on what price has been doing dumping. So if we get momentum back in this coin, then that's the zone that I'm looking at. And if that's gonna be the case, we are gonna make massive profit with Myro coin. I still think Myro coin can do something great. That's gonna be about 1x. You can see Myro coin 1x in one day. This is doable. Okay, but expect bump like cool down here. We don't expect cool down here. Some sort of cool down here. This zone here, cool down here. So it can cool down a little bit there before it can go to the upside. So give or take, if you start seeing price, if we see a pump with Myro coin like this, then price keep rejecting, then they want to bring price back down. Okay, so you can catch out your profit from there. But if say it breaks above, you can wait to buy back again. Yeah, then you take it to the upside. That's how I want to trade this coin. Okay, now let's get to other coins that I see you guys commenting here. I can see Gal Redfish, she says Doge girlfriend. Okay, let's go to Doge girlfriend. Let's go and see what the Doge girlfriend is doing. Doge girlfriend. Uh, you have to send me the ticker. Is this the Doge girlfriend? I don't know if this is the one. Let me see girlfriend. If I just spell girlfriend. Um, I'm just try give me the ticker. I don't know the ticker, so let me just see if I can find the ticker here easily. But if you're still watching, give me the ticker of the Doge girlfriend so I can. By the way, if you're still watching, you haven't yet at least do like the content. Okay, it said D. Okay, let me just go back to the chart. Doge girlfriend. Let's see. This coin is not in any of the chart that you like. It's not on trading view. Is the coin on? Let me see. You are giving me a coin that is among the the top 5,000 coins. Hey, come on. Oh boy. And this is on what chain? Solana chain. Okay, let's see. Let me just go and check this for my guy. I have read your comments multiple times. You're talking about you keep talking about Doge girlfriend. So let me just do this for you. At least for always being there. You're always watching my videos. So I'm gonna do this for you. I wanna look at this on the deck screener. So I think I'm gonna let's see. Let's see what we got here with the Doge girlfriend. Okay. 4 million cap. Um Liquidity. Yeah, I think this is the right one. Oh, this bad boy has been doing well today. With the past 24 hours, it's up 13%. But the volume is so small. Look at the volume, just 17K volume. That's nothing. That's nothing. That's not tradable. I cannot buy with such volume. Uh and they have holders 7,000. Yeah, not bad. 7,000 holders. So let's see. Let's look at this on the daily time frame. Okay, let's see what's going on here with the Doge girlfriend. This coin went right up to 160 million cap. Not bad. It has been bleeding. This isn't like I think those who launch the coin have cashed most of their profit. Not really. Okay. Uh, Most of the liquidity is down here. So if I have to look at the price, I should say this should be the main like those who are holding above from where we are, like yeah, are those who launch the project, so they are holding most of the coins, and now they are using most of you guys as exit liquidity. Okay, so um I won't recommend anyone to buy this coin right now until you see something like this. So we have to see the break of this trend line. You can see it's respecting this trend line, which is good. It's good when I see a coin respecting TA. It's good, but at the same time, we should also expect the coin to dump more, even more. But from what has been going on here on the chart, I would say that those who are behind the coin want to pump it a little bit more. They want to pump the coin. Okay, guys, there's always some people behind coins. All right. So I can say that I can see here that this coin has rejected. Yeah. Okay. Let's look at it from here. We see a huge pump from here up. It came here. It reject here up. It came here. It reject here up. Reject. So the guys who are actually cashing out profit here are those who have most of their money below price. Yeah. So they bought earlier. Yeah. Now the reason why the price they keep selling at key zones is because the guys who are doing this they are maybe they are the bots they are using is based on this um like price action. So the bot is executing the trade based on the let me say based on how it has been programmed, following the trend line or following trend line, or maybe they are using let's say EMA, something like that. Okay, so the only time you can consider buying this coin again is when price is gonna break above, because I see here that this should be the pivot point, this zone here, where price is. So price is at a critical resistance now. So if price is gonna break this zone, then go and make higher highs from where we are right now. You see, then there's high chances that it's gonna come back there. That's when you're buying. So it means that they want to target the previous high, like this high here, this one here. So you can cash out your profit there, and wait again to see what will happen. If price break above here, then price gonna come back there. You buy again, take it to the upside. You don't have to hold the coin forever. I mean, let no one tell you this is gonna become the next big thing. Come on, don't buy that. Just make your money and get out. And if it goes to the next big thing, yeah, I'm fine. But you don't have to marry the coin and stay with the coin until it gets to the next big thing. That's what I'm trying to say here. Okay. Yeah, so that's that for the Doge girlfriend. But if say we see a massive recovery for this coin, let's just see where the target is gonna be. Let's just look at the target. So this is what I do. I bring in my flip tool from the top of that move to the bottom of the move. You see. So okay, the target is huge, guys. Oh boy. So yeah, we're looking at this zone here for the first take profit. So that's gonna be around, let's say, give or take, how many percent profits, if that's gonna be the case from where we are right now. There. Oh boy. We're looking about 10x. Yeah, about 15x. Yeah, let's say 15x. Yeah, 15x. Or if it goes to the golden pocket, which is usually the target, we're looking about 26x. So you mean the Doge girlfriend can 26x? Well, I don't buy that. But if this comes to pass, then I'm gonna call you a legend. But I don't think it's gonna happen anyways. I have to be honest with you. So yeah, that's that for Doge girlfriend. Guys, I think we have come to the end of today's stream. If say you don't have any coin for me to analyze, then that's what could happen this weekend. Yeah, this coin and other coins that we're gonna be looking at maybe in the next days to come. Yeah. So let's just see quickly what's going on with Bitcoin before we go. Let's see Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is like, actually, as I mentioned, guys, it has to hold. Let's just go on a 1 hour time frame. No matter what happens, we need to see Bitcoin hold here. And also looking at dominance, we're not see dominance not break this zone where it is. So I think US session will not take price down or recover this vector here. I want to believe they want to take price more downwards. I don't want to see them go recover this vector here. If they do recover this vector here, then Bitcoin is gonna all coins are gonna really do bad. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye bye. Ciao.
Rumors fly when he walks down the street. To BETONG crypto, everyone's beat. Charts and graphs in his golden mind. Fortune's made, he's one of a kind. Eyes on the prize in the digital dust. He never wavers in whom to trust. From Bitcoin booms to Ethereum high, he trades the stars in the blockchain sky. Debate on crypto, king of the trade. In the world of coins, his fortune's made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend long speak his name. Wallet fat with gains never shaded. His portfolio perfectly weighted. Whales and minnows all in a line. Track his moves, wish they could align. Every tweet sends markets a spin, but he never lets the fear sink in. Algorithms dance, he's pulling the strings. In the crypto world, he reigns like a king. Debate on crypto, king of the trade. coins, his fortune's made.